Hi all, Planetside Agent here. I decided to get off my butt and get out and do some skiing. It's a real nice day. It's in the mid 40s, which is unusual for this time of year. But up here above St. Anne Pass, and there's three-finger jack through the snags of the old Booth Complex burn. But so I think I'll just do a few videos here today, intermittent. Show my ski rig and setup. There's my pack right there. So I'm just taking a quick break, waiting for my buddy Chuck to get to the top of this knoll before we head on to the north. So I'll probably be on and off this thing for a while, so we'll see you in a bit. Okay, we're at the lunch spot here. I'm gonna set up my lunch camp here in a sec. Anyway, got a little bit of a rise here and above the dead tree, so you can get a better view of three-fingered jack. So nice view. Really warm today. I'm just down to a synthetic t-shirt. Plenty warm, hardly a breath of wind. So okay, I picked a spot for my lunch. And so for starters, I'm gonna kick out in the snow. It's kind of hard packed, but kind of a well to put my feet in when I sit down, so I'm not more like a chair. Yeah, snow's pretty hard. Sometimes you get off your skis and just sink up to your knees or thighs. Okay, I dug out my Insulite pad, which was, back in the day, was the ground pad. I don't even think you can buy this stuff anymore, but it's just right for this because it's light. I got it cut into a seat, so I dug that out of the pack. So I'll put that down here. I don't know how well this is going to come out cinematography-wise. There we go. Then I use my pack for a backrest. Next, I'll take my skis and prop them up behind the pack, so I'm going to turn that off for that. Okay, got my spot all ready to go. Here I'll kind of show it to you. See, I got the skis propped up in the snow behind the pack, which will make a backrest. Got the footwell here, and then over here, got my bag of victuals and got a jug of iced tea, which I'm going to put snow in. Nothing better than snow-filled iced tea. And then, oops, I should do this sideways. Oh well. Anyway. We come around and you kind of see my view. Not too bad. Off in the distance, hopefully I won't get too much glare, is Mount Washington, and then over this way is Hyrack Butte and Hoodoo, the ski area over there. So anyway, this is my view out my front here. So I'm going to sit down and have me some lunch. Okay, a little more info on my kit. I always carry this one now, a 20-ounce aluminum cup by Ollie Camp that my water bottle will nest inside of. So this fits inside my pouch on the outside of the pack. And in case, you know, it's nice to have a metal cup. If you do have to boil water, snow to make water, if you get stuck out, you got something to boil it in. And also another reason I like it, oops, let me go this way. There you go. Is to get, if the snow is hard, really hard, you can use it to scoop out snow to, oops, put in your water bottle. So that's a handy thing. So I carry this cup year round. Sometimes you find snow patches in the summer, and it's always nice to put snow in there. So anyway, that's this part here. Okay, I think I'm going to brew up some tea here with my little cook kit. I do have a video on this kit, and I'll put a link to that in the description box below. So anyway, I got a water jug here. I got my 20-ounce cup, and then here's my kit. It's kind of hard to do one-handed. but I didn't bring a tripod or anything like that. So anyway, move him out of the way. Here's a ground pad I have. That's made out of thinsulate covered with foil. And let's see if I can see this. I'm not going to win any Oscars for my cinematography, that's for sure. So there's the matches, sugar. Yeah, and the sun's really bright, so I'm getting reflection in the screen, so it's hard for me to center. Not the best conditions. Okay, here is my stove. Oh, fuel's in there. And now I have, let's see, here's the windscreen. So I'm going to, oh, and then I have a lid here for the, I bought this lid separately from Tokes, and it happens to fit this 20-ounce aluminum Ollie Camp cup. Okay, and then I've got yeah, my fuel in there, my tea bags. So I'm going to go ahead, and I need 2 hands to set up the stove and fuel it, and then I'll probably come back when I got it going. Okay, I got the stove lit, the windscreen up, and the pot on. Now I'm going to, I filled about 1.5 inches of water in there, and then I'm going to melt snow. Might as well, free water. So I'll put that in there. And put the lid on and sit back and wait for it to boil here. I'll dig out my tea and sugar and get the cup ready to go. So again, I need 2 hands, so this video is probably going to be choppy as all get out, but you know, yeah, what do you get? You know, get what you pay for, as they say. Okay, about ready to make some tea here. You know, I didn't put enough alcohol in the stove, especially for the amount of snow I threw in there. I should have put a little more in there, but so my stove just went out. But yeah, I think the water's hot enough to brew tea, so let's go ahead and do that. Let's see if I can do this and film it at the same time. See if I can walk and chew gum at the same time. There we go. The water seems hot enough for tea. I got enough fuel I can make another cup. Probably won't try to melt as much snow. But there we go. Yeah, it's not steeping too much, but I'll let it set for a while. It'll be good enough. What the heck. Actually, it's pretty warm out here today. I think it's sun's out and it's probably almost 60 sitting here in the sun when the wind's not blowing. So I thought I'm out here, I thought I'd just play with the stove anyway. What the heck. So anyway, back out. Still got the stunning view out that way. Can't beat it. Well, there you go. Well, it was hot enough to make tea, hot enough to burn your mouth. So, yeah, sit down and enjoy this cup of tea. Enjoy the view. And I don't know if I'll do any more videoing today or not. I guess we'll find out when I get back to editing. If not, then hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time.